Working with genealogy research and have an FTN file from Family Tree Maker? This contains your family history database. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Family Tree Maker genealogy files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky FTN file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. An FTN file is a genealogy data file created by older versions of Family Tree Maker, a popular software for building and organizing family histories. Users encounter these files when accessing legacy family tree data, seeking to view, edit, or convert their genealogical research into more modern formats. This is a proprietary database format designed to store genealogical information, including individuals, family links, events, sources, and multimedia pointers. The binary structure was optimized for the application's specific data handling needs, creating a self-contained file for a user's entire family tree project. The specialized program designed to handle FTN is Family Tree Maker by Software Makiev. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows lacks the ability to interpret domain-specific data, so specialized applications are necessary. We are testing the limits of your installed programs. Right-click the FTN file and select Open With. Test Family Tree Maker first. If it fails, select another application. Compatibility is not always straightforward. When your FTN file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. A format as specific as FTN will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, Opening in Family Tree Maker. Install Family Tree Maker and use File then Open to load the FTN file. The application displays your family tree with full editing capabilities, navigation tools, and reporting features. Add new individuals, link relationships, attach sources, and document research findings within the tree. Next, exporting to GEDCOM. Open the FTN file in Family Tree Maker and use File then Export to save as GEDCOM format. GEDCOM is supported by all major genealogy software, enabling sharing, collaboration, and long-term archival. This export preserves family relationships and most genealogical data for cross-platform use. Finally, migrating to other software. Use GEDCOM exports to migrate Family Tree Maker data to alternatives like Roots Magic Legacy, Family Tree, or Gramps. Each application provides import wizards handling GEDCOM files. Verify the import preserved relationships, dates, and sources, as genealogy software handles GEDCOM extensions slightly differently. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.